Okay, I'm back. Okay, so my my Facebook Live done stopped and stuff like that. I don't even know how it stopped. I don't know if I pressed it and didn't know, and I wasn't finished talking and stuff like that. Okay. I did say it. I was gonna be gone or whatever. Or whatever, something like that. So Dianca having fun out there. Hey Dianca. Okay. Back at Facebook Live, okay? Back at Facebook Live, back live, okay? Dominoes Facebook Live, back at Facebook Live. Yeah, so I think I'm gonna upload this Facebook Live twice, I guess, So we'll have to see what I'm gonna do, okay? Upload it twice or whatever, okay? Yeah, so anyway, my church broadcast on Facebook and stuff like that, Okay. Yeah, the broadcast on Facebook, broadcast on YouTube. Seem like all the churches is not churches chicken. Almost all the churches is broadcasting live, So all I want, what about St. Bernard Avenue Baptist Church? I sure hope y'all do a live stream on YouTube, Cause I sure like to hear sermons, from every church. I kind of wonder if them churches in New Iberia are broadcasting live. I kind of wonder that, y'all. I hope the church in all them churches in New Iberia and Lafayette and other places is live, Okay, so that's all I'm wondering. Okay, that's all the heck I'm wondering, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, so so other than that, though, I mean, watching sermons and stuff like that, and you can watch them in reruns. You can watch them in reruns. You can watch it on Facebook Live. I kind of wonder, Franklin Avenue Baptist Church. Franklin Avenue Baptist Church moved to the east. So anyway, I just hope they could broadcast on YouTube as well. Cause I sure would love to watch that church. Okay, so I kind of wonder what they're gonna do with that old church on Franklin Avenue. If all that. They should have changed the name of the church, Franklin Avenue, and it's, well, or should they call it Franklin Avenue Baptist Church 2, or whatever, number 2, or something like that, So I kind of wonder what they're gonna do with that church right there on Franklin Avenue, So I kind of wonder, Joel Osteen, I watch him from time to time, About to see if my gaming is still uploading. Oh, it is. Okay. This one, 50%. The other one is 72%. Okay. The NBA 2K6 and the NBA 2K12. Okay. So I only played the old school NBA Live by hand, okay? Sometimes I do the gameplay watch and stuff like that, Yep. Sometimes I do, Alright, so, yeah. Alright, so, that's all Domino 7 got to say, ladies and gentlemen, okay? Alright, so, I'll see y'all when I see y'all, alright? Bye-bye, y'all.